श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। राजविद्या राजगुह्ययोगः। Rajavidya Rajaguhya Yoga, or the royal secret, focuses on the supreme knowledge and path of devotion, Bhakti Yoga, as a means to liberation. It emphasizes that sincere devotion, regardless of external rituals or social status, is the most direct path to union with the divine. This chapter also highlights the all-pervading nature of the divine, emphasizing that it is the source and sustainer of the universe while remaining untouched by its imperfections. Shri Bhagavanuvacha idam tu te guhyatamam pravakshamyanasuyave jnanam विज्ञानसहितं यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्। श्री भगवान् उवाच इदं तु ते गुह्यतमं प्रवक्ष्यामि अनसूयवे ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितं यत् ज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे अशुभात्। Bhagavan said, O Arjuna, because you are not envious of me, I shall now impart to you this very confidential knowledge and wisdom, upon knowing which you will be released from miseries of material existence. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitramidamuttamam Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam Susukham kartum avyayam. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram idam uttamam Pratyaksha avagamam dharmyam susukham kartum avyayam. This knowledge is the king of sciences and the most profound of all secrets. It purifies those who hear it. It is directly realizable in accordance with dharma, easy to practice, and everlasting in effect. Ashraddadhanah purushaah dharmasyasya parantapa aprapya mam nivartante mrityu samsara vartmani. Ashraddadhanaha purushaha dharmasya asya parantapa aprapya mam nivartante mrityu samsara vartmani. People who have no faith in this dharma are unable to attain me, O conqueror of enemies. They repeatedly come back to this world in the cycle of birth and death. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagadavhyaktamurtina matsthani sarvabhutani nachaham teshvavasthitah. Maya tatam idam sarvam jagad avyaktamurtina Matsthani sarvabhutani nacha aham teshu avasthitah. All this world is pervaded by me in my unmanifested form or aspect. All beings exist in me, but I do not dwell in them. Nacha matsthani bhutani Pashya me yogamaishwaram bhuta bhrinna cha bhutasthah ममात्मा भूतभावनः न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगम् ऐश्वरम् भूतभृत् न च भूतस्थः मम आत्मा bhutabhavanah. Nor do beings exist in reality in me. Behold my divine yoga, supporting all beings but not dwelling in them, is myself, the efficient cause of all beings. Yathakashasthito nityam vayus sarvatra go mahan तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारय यथा आकाशस्थितः नित्यं वायुः सर्वत्र गः महान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानि इति upadharaya. As the mighty wind moving everywhere rests always in space, which is the akasha, even so know that all beings rest in me. Sarvabhutani kaunteya प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकां कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम् सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकां कल्पक्षये पुनः तानि कल्प आदौ विसृजामि aham. All beings, O Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, go into my prakriti, nature, at the end of a kalpa. I send them forth again at the beginning of the next kalpa. Prakritim swamavashtabhya विसृजामि पुनः पुनः भूतग्राममिमं कृत्स्नम् अवशं प्रकृतेर्वशात् प्रकृतिं स्वाम् अवष्टभ्य विसृजामि पुनः पुनः भूतग्रामम् इमं कृत्स्नम् avasham prakritehe vashat. Animating my prakriti, I again and again send forth all the multitude of beings, helpless by the force of nature, that is prakriti. Na cha mam tani karmani nibadhnanti dhananjaya उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय उदासीनवत् आसीनम् असक्तं Teshu karmasu. These acts do not bind me, O Dhananjaya, sitting like one indifferent and unattached to these acts. Mayadhyakshena prakritihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya जगत् विपरिवर्तते मया अध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतुना अनेन कौन्तेय जगत् विपरिवर्तते। Under me, as her supervisor, Prakriti produces the moving and the unmoving. Because of this, O Kaunteya, the world revolves. Avajananti mam moodhaah manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajanantah मम भूतमहेश्वरम्। अवजानन्ति मां मूढाः मानुषीं तनुम् आश्रितं परं भावम् अजानन्तः मम भूतमहेश्वरम्। Fools disregard me when I dwell in human form. They know not my higher being as a great Bhagavan, great Lord of all beings. मोघाशामोघकर्माणः मोघज्ञानाविचेतसः राक्षसीमासुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः। मोघाशा मोघकर्माणः मोघज्ञानाः विचेतसः राक्षसीम् आसुरीं च एव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः। Of vain hopes, of vain actions, of vain knowledge and senseless, they verily are possessed by the delusive nature of Rakshasas and Asuras. Mahatmanastu mam partha daivim prakritimashritah भजन्त्यनन्यमनसः ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्। महात्मानः तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिम् आश्रिताः भजन्ति अनन्यमनसः ज्ञात्वा भूतादिम् अव्ययम्। But the Mahatmas or great souls, O Partha, partaking of my divine nature, worship me with a single mind, with a mind devoted to nothing else, knowing me as the imperishable source of all beings. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataah namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate। सततं कीर्तयन्तः मां यतन्तः च दृढव्रताः नमस्यन्तः च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ताः उपासते। Always glorifying me, striving, firm in vows, prostrating before me, and always steadfast, they worship me with devotion. ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतोमुखम्। ज्ञानयज्ञेन च अपि अन्ये यजन्तः माम् उपासते। एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा vishvatomukham. Others also, offering the wisdom sacrifice, worship me in various ways, regarding me as the one, as the distinct, as the manifold me, who in all forms face up everywhere. Aham kraturaham yajnah Swadhaham aham aushadham Mantroham ahamevajam Ahamagniraham hutam. Aham kratuhu aham yajnah Swadha aham aushadham Mantraha aham eva ajyam Aham agnihi aham hutam. I am the sacrifice, I am the offering to the ancestors, I am the medicinal herb and all plants, I am the mantra, I am also the clarified butter, I am fire, I am oblation. Pitahamasya jagatah Mata dhata pitamahah Vedyam pavitram omkarah Riksama yajurevacha. Pita aham asya jagatah Mata dhata pitamahah Vedyam pavitram omkarah Rik Sama Yajuhu Evacha. I am the father of the world, the mother, the sustainer, and the grandfather, the one thing to be known, the purifier, the syllable Om, and also the Rik, the Sama, and the Yajurvedas. Gatir bharta prabhu sakshi Nivasa sharanam suhrit Prabhavav pralayasthanam Nidhanam bijam avyayam. Gatihi bharta prabhuhu sakshi Nivasah sharanam suhrit Prabhavah pralayah sthanam Nidhanam bijam avyayam. I am the goal, the supporter, the Lord, the witness, the abode, the shelter, the friend, the origin, the resolution, the foundation, the treasure house, and the seed imperishable. Tapamyahamaham varsham Nigrinham yutsrijami cha Amritam chaiva mrityuscha Sadasachaham Arjuna. Tapami aham varsham Nigrinhami utsrajami cha Amritam cha eva mrityuho cha sat asat cha aham Arjuna. As sun I give heat, I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality and also death, both existence and non-existence, O Arjuna. Trividya mam somapah puta papaha Yajnairištva svargatim prarthayante Te punyamasadya surendralokam Ashnanti divyan divideva bhogan. Traividyaha mam somapaha putapapaha Yajnaihi ishtva svargatim प्रार्थयन्ते। ते पुण्यम् आसाद्य सुरेन्द्रलोकम् अश्नन्ति दिव्यान् दिवि देवभोगान्. The knowers of the three Vedas, the drinkers of Soma, purified from sin, worshipping me by sacrifices, pray for the way to heaven. They reach the holy world of the Lord of the gods and enjoy in heaven the divine pleasure of gods. Te tam bhuktva swargalokam vishalam क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्नाः गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते. ते तं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्मम् अनुप्रपन्ना गतागतं कामकामाः लभन्ते. They, having enjoyed the vast heaven world when their merits are exhausted, enter the world of mortals, thus abiding by the injunctions of the three Vedas, desiring objects of desires. They attain to the state of going and returning, that is, cycle of birth and death into the samsara. Ananyāścintayanto mam ye janāః paryupāsate teshām nityābhiyuktānām योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. अनन्याः चिन्तयन्तः मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्य अभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहामि अहम्. To those men who worship me alone, thinking of no other, to those ever self-controlled, I secure for them that which is not already possessed, which is yoga, and preserve for them what they already possess, kshema. Yebhyanya devata bhaktaah yajante श्रद्धयान्विताः तेऽपि मामेव कौन्तेय यजन्त्यविधिपूर्वकम्. ये अपि अन्यदेवताः भक्ताः यजन्ते श्रद्धया अन्विताः ते अपि माम एव कौन्तेय यजन्ति avidhipurvakam. Even those devotees who, endowed with faith, worship other gods, worship me alone, O son of Kunti, but by wrong method. Aham hi sarvayajnanam bhokta cha prabhureva cha न तु मामभिजानन्ति तत्त्वेन तच्च्यवन्ति ते. अहं हि सर्वयज्ञानां भोक्ता च प्रभुः एव च न तु माम् अभिजानन्ति तत्त्वेन अतः च्यवन्ति ते. For I alone am the enjoyer and the master of all sacrifices, but they do not know me in essence, and hence they fall, which means return to this mortal world. यान्ति देवव्रता देवान् पितॄन् यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्याः यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम् यान्ति देवव्रताः देवान् पितॄन् यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्याः यान्ति मद्याजिनः अपि माम्. The worshippers of the devas or gods go to the devas. To the Pitrus or ancestors go to the ancestor worshippers. To the Bhutas or the elements go to the worshippers of the Bhutas. But my worshippers come to me. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachhati tadaham bhaktyupahritam अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यः मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तत् अहं भक्ति उपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयत आत्मनः. Whoever offers me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit or water, that I accept, offered by the pure-minded with devotion. Yat karoshi yat ashnasi yat juhoshi dadasi yat yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Yat karoshi yat ashnasi yat juhoshi dadasi yat yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva mad arpanam. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer in sacrifice, whatever you give in charity, whatever you practice as austerity, O Kaunteya, do it as an offering to me. शुभाशुभफलैरेवं मोक्ष्यसे कर्मबन्धनैः संन्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि. शुभ अशुभफलैः एवं मोक्ष्यसे कर्मबन्धनैः संन्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा विमुक्तः माम् उपैष्यसि. Thus, you shall be freed from the bonds of actions yielding good and evil fruits, with the mind steadfast in the yoga of renunciation and liberated, you shall come to me. Samoham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshyosti na priyah ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya mayi te teshu chapyaham. Samaha aham sarvabhuteshu na me द्वेषः अस्ति न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि ते तेषु च अपि अहम्. The same am I to all beings. To me there is none hateful or dear, but those who worship me with devotion are in me, and I am also in them. अपि चेत् सुदुराचारः भजते मामनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यग्व्यवसितो हि सः। अपि चेत् सुदुराचारः भजते माम् अनन्यभाक् साधुः एव सः मन्तव्यः सम्यक् व्यवसितः हि सः। Even if the most sinful worships me with devotion to none else or with single-pointedness, he too shall indeed be regarded as righteous, for he has rightly resolved. क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा शश्वच्छान्तिं निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति। क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा शश्वत् शान्तिं निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति। Soon he becomes righteous and attains eternal peace, O Kaunteya. Know for certain that my devotee is never destroyed. Mam hi parthavyapashritya yepi syuf papayonayah striyo vaishyastatha shudrah तेऽपि यान्ति परां गतिम्। मां हि पार्थ व्यपाश्रित्य ये अपि स्युः पापयोनयः स्त्रियः वैश्याः तथा शूद्राः ते अपि यान्ति परां गतिम्। For taking refuge in me, they also, O Partha, who may be of a sinful birth, women, businessmen, tradesmen, as well as the Shudras, even they attain the supreme goal. Kim punar brahmanah punyah bhakta rajarshayasthatha anityam asukham lokam imam prapya bhajasva mam। किं पुनः ब्राह्मणाः पुण्याः भक्ताः राजर्षयः तथा अनित्यम् असुखं लोकम् इमं प्राप्य भजस्व माम्। How much more easily then the holy Brahmanas and devoted royal saints attain the goal. Having obtained this impermanent and joyless world, you do worship me devotedly. Manmana bhava madbhaktah madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktvaivam atmanam matparayanah। मन्मनाः भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु माम् एव एष्यसि युक्त्वा एवम् आत्मानं मत्परायणः। Fix your mind on me, be devoted to me, sacrifice to me, bow down to me, Having thus united your whole self to me, taking me as a supreme goal, you shall come to me. Om Tat Saditi श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासूपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे राजविद्याराजगुह्ययोगो नाम नवमोऽध्यायः।